In this section, we'll explore how to generate custom visuals using DALL-E for various marketing applications. We'll discuss crafting effective text prompts, understanding output settings and image formats, and generating images for social media posts, advertisements, and web design. By mastering these techniques, you'll be able to create unique and engaging visuals to enhance your marketing campaigns. Crafting effective text prompts for DALL-E. The key to generating relevant and captivating images with DALL-E lies in providing clear and detailed text prompts. When crafting your prompts, consider specifying the desired image style, color palette, and any important elements you want to be included. The more precise your prompt, the more likely DALL-E is to generate an image that matches your vision. Experiment with different prompt structures to find the most effective approach for your marketing needs. Understanding DALL-E output settings and image formats. DALL-E offers various output settings, such as image resolution, aspect ratio, and file format. When generating visuals for marketing campaigns, consider the specific requirements of each platform and adjust the output settings accordingly. For example, social media platforms have recommended image dimensions and file sizes, while web design may require high-resolution images in specific formats. Familiarize yourself with these requirements to ensure your DALL-E-generated visuals are optimized for each channel. Generating visuals for social media posts, advertisements, and web design. With your text prompts and output settings in place, you can start generating custom visuals for different marketing applications. For social media posts, consider creating eye-catching images that complement your content and encourage engagement. For advertisements, focus on visuals that convey your unique selling proposition and resonate with your target audience. For web design, create images that enhance the user experience and reinforce your brand identity. Tips for refining and iterating on DALL-E-generated images. While DALL-E can produce impressive visuals, it's important to review the generated images and make necessary refinements. You may need to adjust your text prompts, experiment with different styles, or even combine elements from multiple DALL-E outputs to create the perfect image for your campaign. Don't be afraid to iterate and experiment until you achieve the desired result. By leveraging DALL-E's capabilities and applying these techniques, you can create captivating, custom visuals that set your marketing campaigns apart. In the next section, we'll discuss integrating these DALL-E-generated images into your marketing strategies and optimizing them for different channels to maximize their impact.